subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Galaxy S21 FE back in January last year, the company is now reported to launch the successor of it as Galaxy S23 FE. And before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by OnLeaks, in partner with SmartPre. According to leaks and other rumors, the Galaxy S23 FE will feature a flat 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, with 120Hz refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch cut out at the top center for selfie camera, that will house 10-megapixel selfie shooter. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a vertically aligned triple camera set up at the top left corner, that will include 50-megapixel main camera, along with the 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, plus 8-megapixel telephoto lens. Under the hood, the phone is said to run on Exynos 2200 chipset, or Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, paired with 8GB of RAM, and 128 or 256GB of onboard storage. The device packs with 4,500 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support. The physical dimensions of this smartphone will measure at 158 by 76.5 by 8.2 millimeters, and it will weigh around 210 grams. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy S23 FE smartphone has leaked so far, and it is expected to launch soon at a price around 55,000 Indian rupees. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy S23 FE smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.